The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Unimog EQ concept reimagines the legendary all-terrain workhorse with a futuristic, all-electric powertrain while preserving its rugged DNA. Designed to tackle extreme environments with zero emissions, the Unimog EQ blends advanced electrification with the iconic versatility and durability that have defined the Unimog for decades. Externally, the Unimog EQ concept maintains its robust and utilitarian stance but incorporates modern design elements. The signature high ground clearance, exposed chassis, and large all-terrain tires remain, but the front end features a reworked grille with illuminated Mercedes-Benz badging and sleek LED lighting. Aerodynamic enhancements, including an optimized body structure and lightweight materials, help improve efficiency without compromising toughness. The modular design allows for multiple configurations, from industrial applications to off-road expeditions. Inside, the cabin receives a major overhaul with a futuristic cockpit focused on functionality and driver comfort. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time data on terrain conditions, battery status, and torque distribution. The infotainment system integrates AI-driven navigation with off-road mapping and adaptive drive modes. The high-quality, durable materials used in the interior ensure a balance between luxury and rugged practicality. Advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, 360-degree terrain monitoring, and automated recovery assistance, make off-roading safer and more efficient. Powering the Unimog EQ concept is a state-of-the-art electric drivetrain with multiple electric motors delivering instant torque to all four wheels. The innovative e-axle system allows precise torque vectoring, enhancing grip and maneuverability in extreme conditions. A large-capacity solid-state battery provides an extended range, while rapid charging capabilities ensure minimal downtime. Mercedes-Benz has also incorporated a solar-assisted auxiliary charging system for remote operations, reinforcing the Unimog EQ's self-sufficiency in the field. On the road and off, the Unimog EQ concept remains true to its roots, conquering steep inclines, deep water crossings, and rocky trails with ease. The advanced adaptive suspension dynamically adjusts to varying terrain, improving stability and ride comfort. With multiple drive modes, including a low-speed rock crawl mode and an energy-efficient highway mode, the Unimog EQ is as versatile as ever. With its revolutionary electric powertrain, cutting-edge technology, and timeless off-road capabilities, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Unimog EQ concept represents the future of heavy-duty mobility. Combining sustainability with extreme performance, it stands as a testament to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to innovation and eco-friendly industrial solutions while maintaining the legendary status of the Unimog.